Hello there, I'm Debbie, and this right here is the Listerine Ultraclean Access Flosser. So this is a little bit different than the tiny little disposable flossers that you buy, which can be a little bit wasteful. So if you're looking for a flosser that's less wasteful and has better grip, then look no further than this Listerine Ultraclean Access Flosser. I'll show it to you up close. So the top part is the disposable part, and it comes off very easily by just popping it off. See how it's sort of like a fun little puzzle? And then when you want to put your fresh one on, you just line up the little pieces of the puzzle and it snaps right in. Then it's ready to go. If you'll notice, this too is a lot deeper than the disposable flossers you've seen, and you'll notice too that it's at a 90-degree angle as opposed to going straight up with a curve out this way. So it's really easy to get back your upper teeth. The angle with this makes it so much easier, and of course the long handle makes it easy to reach those farther back spaces in your mouth and really get all of the angles that you want to floss your teeth effectively. The starter kit comes with this. I just tore this off of the box. It was nice and perforated, so these don't go flying. This is also sort of like a dispenser style perforation on the back here, so I can easily just pull these out as I need them. Let's talk about the grip. This is really squishy and rubbery and easy to hold, and it has this nice little ramp up here for you to rest your thumb and your forefinger or whatever way you want to grip this. It's just made ergonomically. It's an easy, smart choice.